Nvidia just became one of the most valuable companies on the planet, worth more than Amazon, Google, and even Tesla. Why? Because of one word: AI. By 2030, AI is expected to add over 15 trillion to the global economy. And by 2035, nearly half of all jobs could be automated. So yeah, AI is going to change everything. But here's the problem. Everyone thinks the way to capitalize on this is by starting some sort of AI agency, sell chatbot setups to local businesses, slap together an offer, outsource fulfillment. But 99% of people doing this are stuck. They're not making any money. They're not building anything long-term. And honestly, most of these agencies aren't even using AI properly. The truth is, the best AI side hustle right now doesn't involve building anything. It's about understanding how to connect supply with demand and using AI to do it faster than ever before. And if you can figure this out now, before the wave fully hits, the opportunity is massive. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why most AI side hustles fail, what the real opportunity is that barely anyone's talking about, and how you can start tapping into it today, even if you're starting from scratch. So let's talk about the current wave of AI side hustles. Because yeah, AI is the future, but not all opportunities are created equal, and most of the popular advice out there is just not the best way to actually benefit from this boom long term. Let me show you what I mean. First, the AI agency model. You could email local businesses, offer to automate their ads or customer service with AI tools, and charge them a monthly retainer. It sounds great in theory. You're packaging AI into a service and selling it to people who don't understand it. But here's the problem. Most small businesses don't know what they need. You spend more time educating them than closing them. And when they do sign, your profit margin disappears into fulfillment headaches. You become a glorified freelancer with a fancy AI label. And worst of all, you're not really even leveraging AI. You're just using it as a buzzword. Then there's the build a chatbot trend. You can use tools like ChatGPT to build chatbots for real estate agents, dentists, e-com brands, charge a setup fee, maybe even a monthly retainer. But again, the issue isn't the tech, it's the demand. Most businesses don't trust AI to replace human interaction. And the ones that do, they want a perfect, fully custom system, not a plug-and-play script. So you either spend hours debugging or your clients churn in weeks. Either way, it's not scalable. You're using AI, but you're still trading time for money. Another one is building your own AI tool or app. And look, this is cool if you're a developer or you've raised money. But for 99% of you guys watching this video, you don't need to spend 6 months building something just to pray it gets users. The idea that you can just build something with AI and get rich, it's not only wrong, it's also completely backwards. Because AI should make you faster, not slow you down with some huge project that may or may not work. So if you're not building tools and you're not running an AI agency, then how should you be thinking about this AI wave? What's the smarter, faster, more realistic way to leverage AI, especially if you're not technical? Well, that's where the concept of being an AI middleman comes in. And no, I'm not talking about drop shipping or affiliate marketing or something that requires you to be some sort of tech nerd. This is something that is much more powerful and way more future-proof. Let me explain. The answer is really simple. Don't build with AI. Leverage it. Think about the richest companies in the world. Uber, it doesn't own any cars. Airbnb doesn't own real estate. And Amazon doesn't make most of the stuff it sells. They all follow the same model. They just connect the supply and demand and take a cut. That's the middleman model, and it's made more people rich than any other model in history. You don't need a product. You don't need to build anything complicated. You just need to connect people who want something with people who already have it. And today with AI, you can do that even faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than ever before. Let's talk about attention. In 2025, attention is the most valuable asset that you can control. The people who have it, well, creators, YouTubers, TikTokers, and influencers. And people who want it, well, that's brands, companies that are trying to sell products, launch offers, and get more visibility. But the problem is, most brands have no idea how to find the right creators. They don't know what to pay, and they don't know how to track the results. And on the other side, most creators have no idea how to pitch themselves or land brand deals. And that's where you come in. You step into the gap and become the connector. You build a small roster of creators, you find brands that want exposure, and you connect them. Negotiate the deal, run the campaign, and you take a percentage of every deal that goes through. Now, here's where it gets so powerful. AI handles most of the work. The worst part of running a business is finding clients by doing outreach. You can automate this part, the most time-consuming part, thanks to AI. I'm going to show you to do that in just a second. But this all sounds great in theory. The question is, does it work in real life? Well, here's an example. Imagine this. You've got 5 fitness influencers in your network. Reach out to a supplement brand that wants to launch a new product. You close the deal using a simple email AI wrote for you. You set up the campaign and plug your creators in. The brand then gets sales. The influencers get paid, and you, well, you should make 20% of the total deal, worth at least $5,000, but usually more without needing to fulfill anything yourself. That's the AI middleman model, and it's wide open right now. While everyone else is just trying to build AI apps, sell chatbot services to confuse local businesses, you could be running a lean, profitable, AI-enhanced operation that grows faster every single month. Just like Aditya and Sambhav, or Sevi or Rayan, or any one of the guys on screen right now who are crushing it. So now you understand the model, let's talk about actually how to start doing this. I'm going to walk you through how to pick a niche, how to find creators, how to land your first brand deal, and which AI tools make the whole thing 10 times easier. Alright, let's break down exactly how to get started as an AI middleman. No fluff, no complicated steps, just simple frameworks that you can follow starting today. First, you need a niche, a category of brands and creators that you're going to focus on. Just don't overthink this. Pick something where you understand the audience, something you're interested in, and something you consume. For example, if you're into fitness, great, fitness brands and creators. If you're into fashion, clothing brands and style influencers. And if you're into tech, tech brands and tech YouTubers. Niching down makes it 10 times easier to find creators, pitch brands, and close deals because you actually understand what they care about. If you're struggling, use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas based on your interest. Just use this prompt. I'm interested in the following things, and then insert the list of the things you're interested in. What is the best niche for me to get into and serve through my middleman business? Next, you want to find creators in that niche that have already got attention and who are open to working with brands. Don't worry if you don't know any personally. You can use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, any of the social platforms. Just search for niche keywords and start collecting a list of creators with solid followings. I'd say 50k plus, good engagement, and content that matches what brands would want. So basically content that feels authentic and has a strong connection to the viewers. DM them or email them something simple like this. Hey, I'm working with brands in your niche. I have a bunch of brand deals that I can bring you, and if I bring a relevant brand deal your way, would you be open to it? You can also use an influencer tool powered by AI like Modash to make finding these creators far more simple. And I'm actually partnered with Modash, and if you click the link in the description below, you can actually go and get a free trial of Modash and get up to 400 influencers for free from their platform. Once you've got a few of these creators locked in, it's time to find brands that need exposure. And the easiest way to do this is look at the creators that you just found and see which brands they're already working with. Those are brands that already believe in influencer marketing. You can either reach out to those same brands or find their competitors and offer them a better deal. Then you want to use tools like Apollo, Hunter.io, or just directly through LinkedIn to find emails and send outreach. Now that you've got creators and brands, it's just about connecting the dots. You act as the bridge. You pitch the creator to the brand, help negotiate the terms, and track performance of the campaign. Most of these deals are straightforward. The brand pays a creator a flat fee or performance-based rate, for example, a CPM deal. You take 20 to 30% of the deal for managing it, and everyone wins. You can manage everything with basic tools like Notion and Google Sheets, or if you want to scale fast, you could use tools like Pipedrive and ClickUp. And if you want to leverage AI to make the process easier, you can use ChatGPT to write pitch emails, you could use Claude AI or ChatGPT to generate post-campaign reports, and you can use AI tools like Modash, my partner, for creator analytics. That's it. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to build some complicated tech product. You're simply just connecting two sides of a rapidly growing market and using AI to speed up every step. And once you get your first deal done, it gets easier and easier to scale because now you have proof to show other brands. And by the way, this can be done from anywhere in the world by anyone. And living proof of that fact is my student Rayan, who's literally from India, a third world country, and he hit $110,000 in a single month just a few months ago.
I just made $115,000 in the last 56 days at 19 years old.
He made more money in 1 month than most people in his country will make in 5 years, even 10 years, all from his laptop connecting brands and creators. And if you want to learn how to start this from scratch, step by step, I've put together a completely free 1-hour course here on YouTube, breaking down exactly how to launch your own influencer marketing agency. No fluff, no BS, just a full breakdown of how this business works and how to start closing brand deals today, even if you're a complete beginner. So what I do is you're going to find the video on the screen somewhere and in the description. And if I were starting over today, this is exactly what I would do. And now you've got every single thing that you need to do it to. I'll see you inside the video.